In this video, I will show you how to create a letter portrait like this in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a gradient adjustment layer and apply gradient colors. Change the style to radial and increase the scale. Make sure to check the dither option for smoothing the colors and hit OK. Now, choose the Type tool and type the letter X. I am using the Montserrat bold font, but you can use your own. Open the image document and make a selection of the subject. Add a mask to the image layer to remove the background. Copy the image and paste it onto the main canvas. Decrease the opacity and adjust it according to the letters. Right-click on the text layer and choose Select Pixels. Select the mask, pick the brush tool, make sure your foreground color is black, and erase this area. Now, inverse the selection and paint the image like this. Go to Blending Options for the text layer and add a stroke, inner shadow, and even a drop shadow to make your design look cool and unique. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.